Really appreciate it. Was really necessary. I enjoyed, although I got scary as I heard all these things and how frequent it's happening and it is increasing. It was scary for me, and that's why I feel that it is necessary to be ready, to be well prepared, to have the checklist. We had one attack last year. I was involved in that ransom attack last year, and I can feel, and now I can say that was very simple. We should be ready for much more. Really appreciate it. That was very interesting. I will review the slides and definitely will follow the procedures to make full preparation. Thank you.